Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to report and delete someone's Facebook account. So let's get started. So first of all, open up your Facebook application. After opening up your Facebook application, now you have to select a person that you want to report and delete. So for example, I'll just select this person that I want to report. And after selecting it, now in the right side of your screen you will find a three-dotted icon beside that profile. Just tap on it, and after tapping on that, in the top you will find the report profile option. Just tap on report profile. After tapping on report profile, now you have to select the option that you want to report with. So if that person committed a hate speech, you can do that. If the following profile promotes nudity or sexual content, you can just select this option or select any following options that you can see. So after selecting it, you have to just follow some on-screen steps. So if I select hate speech, I'll just tap on it, and after tapping on that option, now what you can do is just simply tap on done, which is on the bottom, and after tapping on done, you will report that profile to Facebook. So not only that, you can also block that profile from your account, so no content from that profile will be recommended to your account. So just tap on block the following profile, and that will be blocked from your account. So you can do that. So in this way you can report a profile, but if you want to delete it, you can't delete it because Facebook does not have an option to delete someone else's profile. So it is only with Facebook, so only Facebook can delete someone else's profile, or the following person who is the owner of his profile can delete it. So you can't delete the person's profile, but you can delete it by reporting that person. So just report it, and after reporting it, Facebook will take action and delete that person's profile if that person is violating any Facebook community guidelines. So that's it guys, this is how to report and delete someone's Facebook account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.